Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's episode of Zynga Poker, I'm gonna show you where exactly can you use the gold coins in the game. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, open up your game, and once you're on the main menu of the game, you can see a lucky bonus spin at the bottom of the screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll get a free spin every day, or you can even watch an ad to get a free spin. Now you can also use your gold coins for the spin. So let me go ahead and show you how to use your coins while spinning. So as you can see in the slot machine, below your current win, you can see use gold and free spin. So just tap on use gold and select the amount of gold that you want to use. Here I'm gonna select only 2 gold coins because I only have 6 gold coins. But you can use your gold coins according to your wishes. Once you select the amount of gold coin that you want to use, you can just tap on spin and the spin should start. And just like that, you can use your gold coins to spin more and more. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, just leave your queries down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.